Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with QuickBooks Desktop for Payroll Tax Setup step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks Desktop and log in to your company file. Navigate to the Employees menu at the top of the screen. Select Payroll Center from the drop-down options. In the Payroll Center window, locate the Pay Liabilities tab. Click on the Employee Overview or Pay Employees tab to initiate your payroll setup. If prompted, choose the option to set up payroll tax. Follow the on-screen instructions to access the tax setup process. When asked, select your payroll service option. You will need to enter your QuickBooks Desktop login credentials. Provide your user ID and password to authenticate. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, complete the required verification steps. Once authenticated, you will move to the payroll tax setup screen. Input your company information as requested. Ensure your Federal Employer Identification Number, or EIN, is correctly entered. Review your payroll frequency as per the selections provided. Confirm your state and local tax details for accurate setup. Select the relevant payroll items you wish to include in your setup. Follow through the prompts to finalize your payroll tax setup. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Click the Finish button to complete the setup. Your payroll tax setup is now authenticated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.